How to increase breast size exercise. While there are no specific exercises that can increase breast size, some exercises can help strengthen the chest muscles and improve posture, which can enhance the appearance of the breasts. Here are some exercises that can help. Push-ups. Push-ups are a great exercise to strengthen the chest muscles. They can be done with your hands placed slightly wider than shoulder width apart or closer together, depending on your preference. You can start with a few sets of 10 to 15 reps and gradually increase as you get stronger. Chest presses. Chest presses can be done using dumbbells, a barbell, or a chest press machine at the gym. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Hold the weights or barbell at chest level and press them upwards, keeping your arms straight. Lower the weights back down to your chest and repeat for several reps. Wall presses. Stand facing a wall with your arms extended in front of you and your palms flat against the wall. Slowly lean your body forward, keeping your arms straight, until you feel a stretch in your chest muscles. Hold the stretch for a few seconds, then push back to the starting position. Arm circles. Arm circles can help improve posture and tone the muscles around the chest. Stand with your arms extended out to the sides at shoulder height. Slowly make small circles with your arms, gradually increasing the size of the circles. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise routine. Additionally, it's important to note that breast size is largely determined by genetics and hormone levels, so exercise alone may not significantly increase breast size.